Hello and welcome to the BOSH kitchen. Today we're going to be making a sandwich that I used to absolutely love before I went vegan. It's a chicken and bacon sandwich, but with this recipe we're going to show you how to make the chicken and the bacon using one vegan ingredient. This is a king oyster mushroom and it is easily one of my favorite ingredients because it's so versatile. And if you want to make chicken out of this, all you got to do is chop off the cap and pull the stem until it looks like this. And just like chicken, you need to season these mushrooms in order for them to taste good. This is a regular chicken seasoning that you buy from a supermarket. It's just a selection of herbs and spices that make things taste good. Along with some olive oil, stir those together so they mix up to form a nice basic marinade. And in go our mushrooms. Stir the shredded mushroom around in the bowl to make sure that all of those strands are covered in that chicken seasoning. Get the chicken, pop it on a lined baking tray, spread the mushroom chicken around on the tray so it's nice and even, season it with a little salt, a little pepper, and then pop it in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So there's our KO chicken in the oven, and now it's time to make a marinade to make our KO bacon. KO is king oyster, so KO bacon, makes sense. Here we go, got some olive oil, some soy sauce for a little saltiness, maple syrup, garlic powder, some smoked paprika. This is liquid smoke, and anything it touches makes it taste like smoke, which is fantastic for bacon. I'm gonna mix all that together. This is gonna make our king oyster mushroom taste delicious. And now what we've done is slice the mushrooms to make bacon. This stuff is gonna cook so beautifully. Pop your slices of king oyster mushroom into the bowl and get your hands in and just move the mushrooms around in the marinade, making sure that all of the slices are perfectly coated. So these mushrooms look really, really good. They're all perfectly covered in that fantastic marinade. Now all we've got to do is fry them in a little bit of oil to crisp them up just like bacon. So these king oysters are cooking down really nicely, but I think it's high time we turn them. Oh yes, look at the state of this. Nice char on, they've shrunk down, they've become more meaty. That flavor is imparted right into the flesh of the mushroom. Delicious, these are gonna be wonderful. This is ready to go in our sandwich. So you can pick any bread that you like with this sandwich, but we went for ciabatta because it's nice and crunchy. Layer up a little bit of vegan mayonnaise, some nice lettuce leaves there. Now for that bacon, look at how good it looks. It's super crispy, crunchy, and really, really full of flavor. Now some avocado for some really nice texture. Some really juicy, freshly cut tomatoes. A lovely sprinkle of sweet corn. And here it is, that vegan chicken. Make sure you load that up real nice. Pop the lid on. So this is a fully loaded chicken and bacon sandwich, vegan style. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, that is so, so good. It's remarkable how the same thing cooked differently can make two completely different things. It tastes bacony, it tastes chickeny, it's full of those wonderful fresh ingredients, and the bread is beautifully crispy. That is a magnificent sandwich that is reminding me a lot of the sandwich that I used to love before I went vegan. Now, if you've enjoyed the video and liked the recipe, let us know in the comment section below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any videos going forward. We've got loads more vegan recipes lined up for you guys, so do keep your eyes out. And until next time, we'll see you again soon. Nice. So good. Oh, wow.